2013, you did a song with Cartel, Revenge. All right. How did you link up with Cartel and do that song? But the funny thing with it, he was actually, I think he was in jail at this time. So I don't know if it was recorded after or if he just released it after. How was that connection?
It was recorded in jail. TJ called me and I was so happy. I'm like, hi TJ.
Yeah.
And TJ goes, I didn't want to do a song with you. And I'm like, oh my God, what?
Yeah.
He wrote the song and everything. And I was like, yo, yes, I like this. And it was also different. I've never sung anything that sounds like this. I'm like, yes, of course. To this day, even I remember one birthday. I think when he was coming out, he actually posted it, but I was doing a fast. So I do fast every month, and it was actually on one of my 3-day fasts, and so I missed it. But he was just like, big up yourself, my artist. You don't know Love and Love Alone. But that's my song.
Revenge. Because even in the intro where he says this girl came down from country, and just the way how he said it, just the way how he said it. Yes, man. I like how he set it up. You understand? And that was your first and only interaction with Cartel at that time there?
Yeah.
So up to 2016 now. Now you're about, I would say you're about 6 to 7 years in your career right now. How did you feel as an artist, and what were your next moves in this like 2016 time here now?
I felt incredible. By that time I had 2 or 3 hit songs. I was touring. I did Guyana. I was doing shows all over the place. I did Guyana. I did Antigua. I did Guadeloupe. I was actually nominated for Best New Artist for an award show in Guadeloupe. I did St. Martin. I was also, of course, in Jamaica. Was constantly nominated for stuff. Best fashion. Most fashionable artist, Young, Hot and Hype, Best New Artist. What else? I'm just trying to remember. At this point, I've done some fest twice. Main stage, big stage, and then I'd also start to open up doors into TV. So I recorded a pilot for a show called Real Friends in Jamaica. I was in the pilot episode.
Okay.
Didn't continue it. And I am now the live TV host for Red Stripe Football Mondays, which was a whole thing. I loved that. Because it got me to get back into sports. Because, I had kind of segued, even though I'd watched the matches and stuff, I kind of segued a little bit, but that got me back into sports. So shout out to Brian Saint-Just, who brought me back into that. I did that for a good 3 years. I would also segue into, not even segue, because everything was coming into the circle, into form, to build a foundation. I was the brand ambassador for Volkswagen Jamaica. I also did some work with Audi. Oh God, a bag of things, whole heap of things, Meadow.
It was a lot of stuff happening at that time in your career, because even look at this here now. I remember, as you said, you went to Rising Star, but you wanted to go to ATI, so you just basically torpedoed your chance there. You went back now as a judge on Rising Star. How incredible is that, to go as a contestant and then return now as a judge?
That was amazing. And my manager, Jade, was trying to get me to be a stable judge, but they said I was too young. And they didn't think that I had enough knowledge to be a consistent judge. Of course, Jade and them had a big disagreement because she completely disagreed. But, I guess I can see what they're saying. But I feel like even now, especially what Gen Z is proving, is that, yes, with age comes with experience. And what is it? With age comes experience or something like that. I don't remember. Wisdom. There we go. So now it's like, yes, but when you can't take from somebody what they know. And the thing is, I have great ears. Like anybody that I've worked with, they will tell you. My ears are like producer ears, like engineer ears. I know what I want to hear. I know what I want to feel. But I did tell Jade at the time, I believe I said to her that I get it because I'm still young-minded as well. So I would not know how to tell somebody that's not necessarily great. I wouldn't know how to tell them. I'd probably lie and say, "Yay, good job," which you can't do that. I can't do.
Yeah.
Click here to watch the full episode and don't forget to subscribe.